Okay, everybody, the weather is going so cold, and let's try to create our presentation. What we are our Python programming. Let's go and see where we are. We are creating some. Let's say we're creating some dict exercises. I downloaded them and let's load them in our Jupyter. Okay, we loaded them, but this is not what I wanted. How we can load it? We just let's find the place. Okay, it's here. Now our Excel load. Why I'm using Jupyter instead of Colab? Because my Colab is crashed on one of the exercises, and I chose Jupyter to the end of that exercise and then change back to Colab. Okay, we are at exercise 10. We do the next step, dictionary, and what we are going to do now, our first mini project. What is our first mini project? First mini project is a student grade tracker. We create a program to track a student grades, allow user to add, update, and view grades for each student. Okay, we create our dict, and here what we do, as you remembered, here what we do, we create a dictionary and create a code that cans the dictionary and add a person to a dictionary. Let's see what I mean. For example, we have here our dictionary. Okay, let's see what our dictionary have. It have just a name Alex, and here we name create alpha and grade 80. Now let's run this. Oh, sorry, we must run this for that 50. And now let's print dict here. Oh, sorry, my hand is a little hurt. Okay, now you see we create a student name and add a first string to this dictionary. And if we cut this dictionary and create a cell and put it here, then when we write, for example, alpha 50 and run this, okay, and when we run it again, for example, Alex and 60, and then we run this, then you see the thing is happening is that the dictionary is not going to add another student and just going to add the one student it's not going to add another student. What should we do? For that, we should create a for. How we can create a for? It's really easy. We just need to create a for and put that in the for. Okay, for example, let's say we create a for here and say for x in range, for example, 100. Let me call it here a student number, and I just here set the student number equal to 3 for now. For x in range a student number, we say we copy this line of code and paste it here. Okay, paste it here, and we select all of them and press tab. And then for str we are putting to put x plus 1. Now let's run it. Okay, you see we have a problem. Can you guess it? What is happening? Let's see our dictionary. Let's see our dictionary. We can see it here. You see we have 3 students, but the name and grade are alike. So how we can fix the problem? It's easy. We just need to put them in for. How? We put it in for here, and then just a tab, and we just need to put that in 4. Okay, Now let's run it. For example, first name, we go with Layla, grade 100. For example, Alex, grade 20, Adam, grade 30. Now let's see our dictionary. A student 1 Layla, a student 2 grade 100, a student 2 Alex, grade 20, and a student 3 Adam, and grade 30. You see, we created the first part of the program that says we need to create a program that added, let me just put it here, please enter the student number. We create a program that can manipulate the names and do the work for us. But the program it needs that user can update and view grades for each student. So we are going to create a function that updates the student name, so we can add a student name, and then we are going to create a function on what? Can you guess? We are going to create a function that can manipulate the names. Okay, until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and have a good time.